This video is about how to use the MobileManager to operate programs. The program widget shows running programs. You can click Go to Programs or on a specific program. Both will bring you to the program page, but the latter will bring focus on the particular program. You are now at the program page. From this point you start or stop programs. We click the Start button. The program is now running. We stop the program again by clicking the Pause button. Here we have choice to pause or stop. We can even start the program in a new instance in parallel with itself. We click Stop. The program has now stopped.